713 here. I just installed my Burger Tuning Motorsports heat exchanger. I kind of had trouble with it only because my car has an oil cooler and they didn't give me any brackets to mount it on top of the heat exchanger like it's supposed to be back here. You connect the bracket here, and it sits right where the old heat exchanger was at. The oil cooler is supposed to sit there, but what I did was I was able to wiggle it around and I got it mounted behind this other plastic bracket in front of the radiator, and I put some shims in between there, some used gaskets. As you can see, here's the lower part of the heat exchanger hose. I filled it up. I pre-filled it before I sealed it up. There's the top. And my car has all these sensors on it. And there's a sensor that runs down to this little motor that opens up these flaps, I guess whenever it gets hot. I don't know. But there's a heat exchanger under there. I got to put it back together, put the bumper on it, and make sure everything's squared away. Stay tuned.